What's something people don't know about career training in Germany? It's super practical and comes with loads of perks. Picture this: part of your week, gaining real-world experience at a company. The rest, learning theory at a vocational school. That's Germany's Ausbildung program in a nutshell. It typically lasts 2 to 3.5 years, and guess what? You get paid while you learn. From mechanics to business administration, nursing to banking, there's a field for everyone. At the end, you take an exam and earn a respected qualification. Most apprentices even land a job with their training company. Requirements? Just your compulsory schooling and sometimes a high school diploma. And yes, international students can apply too. To get started, find a company, apply with your CV and cover letter. And you might even go through an interview or test. So why wait? Unlock your future with Germany's Dual Vocational Training System today.